Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial in Illustrator. So today we'll learn how to add gradient on an editable text. I have added these two gradients patches here. So let's add a text. So okay, let me change the color. So we have this text. I'll just increase the size and align it. So generally what happens is when you have an editable text, it's difficult to add a gradient directly. If you try to select this gradient, it will change. It will not come as gradient. And if you try to take a normal color, which is a flat color, it will come properly. So to take a gradient, what you have to do is go to Appearance tab. If you don't have it, you can take it from this window menu. There's an Appearance tab. Inside that, go to Add New Fill. When you click on this, this will add a fill here. And then what you can do is you can use this eyedropper and then select your gradient and it will take that gradient color. Similarly, if you want to have two different gradients, so all you can do is just copy this and pressing Ctrl plus C, and then you can use this Ctrl Shift V, which will paste the text in the same position. And then you can move it from down keys, and I'm taking a separate gradient now. So like this, you can add different gradients to different text, and all are editable text. If you want to change this to, maybe I'm just typing text 1 and here text 2. So like this, you can modify it, update it later also. And this is very helpful if you have campaign which needs continuous updations. In that case, you can use this for working on a project. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.